Today we are talking hair systems, and this video is in partnership with LaVivid Hair. Definitely check out LaVividHair.com. The hair units that they make are incredible. I've worn them. You can see videos of me wearing a hair unit and it looked incredibly natural. If you want to purchase a hair unit, if you go to LaVividHair.com and at checkout enter code TheSalonGuy, you get 15% off. And literally in that store, they have everything you need when it comes to hair systems, maintenance, and I highly, highly suggest checking them out. So today's video is a unique one because the topic is, changing up your look. So this mannequin in particular, right into here, I did a nice kind of tight fade on it, and you would think, well, it's darker on the sides, what can I really do to change up my look? Well, this particular hair system is one that I used to use, which is an ultra thin skin poly base, and I'm telling you, it's the most natural looking, especially if you're blonde or you want to be blonde. This has very, very almost undetectable hairline. You can't even tell that you're wearing a system, and the hair texture and the quality of it is second to none. So I highly suggest checking out their thin skin poly units. Now, the reason I have this in through here is to show you guys that if you want to change up your look, all you need to really do is maybe take a hair unit like this. I did the back already. That is lighter than what you have. So instead of maybe going to get highlights or a big job, get a lighter base. And what I'm doing now is I'm just simply, I have the glue on already, is I'm simply working this down right into the hairline, and we're going to press down like so and through here. As you can see, this has, even though it's a completely different color, and yes, this is kind of an undercut and it wasn't blended in, but if you're looking to change up your look, you can definitely wear just a lighter color and just have something that's a bit more creative, have something that's a bit more unique. And the amazing part of this is the hairline looks so natural, and that's the scalp right there. You can literally see right down to the scalp because of the way this is stitched and the way this is made. It looks very, very real and undetectable. And that's why I think it makes a big, big difference. You don't have to go too crazy on maybe going to the salon or whatever it is and spending loads and loads of money on highlights, where you can just do something like this. And you can also even color the hair unit if you wanted to, if you wanted to add highlights. But try a lighter look. Yes, it may add some dimension, but you can also ask your stylist or your barber to blend this in if you want. But it is a great, great option for you if you're getting bored and you want to try something new.